What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Bitforge. Okay, so today marks the day 51 that the project is live. Okay, so it was launched on the 23rd of March 2023 and still up and running and going strong. Okay, in today's video I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial how to get started with the project if you're not familiar with this project, and then I'm going to show you the analytics, the smart contracts, contract balance, wallets, etc. Okay, so stay tuned in. All right, so what is Bitforge? So Bitforge, it's a protocol where the investors will invest their funds, okay, and then the team behind the project will use those funds to mine Bitcoin, okay, and in return you will earn from 1.8 up to 2.8% daily passive income. Okay, currently it's averaging about 2% per day. Okay, scrolling further down we can see how to get started, but don't worry about it. If you're not familiar with the project, I'm going to show you how to get started. Okay, down here we have an investment calculator. So for example, you come over here with 100 bucks, okay, and after 25 days you have made 150 bucks of profits, and after 25 days you can cash out or withdraw your initial investment. Okay, so that means after 25 days you will have 150 bucks plus your 100 bucks initial investment. Okay, scrolling further down we can see the roadmaps, and over here we have the FAQs. So initially the project started with one smart contract, and that smart contract was BUSD, and the minimum investment was 50 bucks. But eventually they deployed the new contract, USDT contract, and the minimum investment is 1 USDT. Okay, so your rewards, as soon as you make your deposit, you will automatically start earning your rewards. Okay, and you can withdraw at any time. There is no cooldown period. Okay, coming further down, we can see that you can withdraw your initial investment after 25 days. So once you make your deposit, I will make a deposit, and you will see there'll be a 25-day countdown timer. And once that countdown timer goes to 0, you can withdraw your initial investment. Okay, and it is possible to make several deposits. Okay, down here we can see who the team is, and if you are in the Telegram group, you probably heard the AMAs. They've done plenty of AMAs for the past four weeks. Okay, they have made probably 3-4 AMAs. Okay, that I'm aware of. And over here we can see where the Bitcoin mining is located. Okay, right. So let's get started. So how to get started? Come over here and hit open the dApp. Okay, so first things first, you gotta connect your wallet. So my wallet is connected, as you can see right there. Okay, and over here we can see the dashboard. Okay, total deposits, total revenue, total miners, total miners of deposits, okay, total withdrawn, and daily revenue. Okay, so this is the dashboard that shows the statistics of the platform. Okay, scrolling down we will see our dashboard. Okay, so once you come over here and connect your wallet, okay, you have two options. You can either stake USDC or USDT. The daily rewards won't have an impact. You're still gonna earn roughly 2% per day. Okay, but the difference is this one right here, USDC, you need a minimum of 50 USDC, and this one right here, you'll need a minimum of 1 USDT. Okay, so let's go and select this one. So I've got 5 USDT. Okay, so just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna deposit this small amount so you can see how everything works. Okay, so this is also my YouTube wallet. Okay, so this is my dummy wallet for my YouTube videos. Okay, so you come over here and you hit you select the number that you want to deposit. Once you are happy with that, you will have to pay 2 gas fees. Okay, so the first gas fee you will have to approve. Okay, you will have to approve the USDT, and the second gas fee will be for the deposits. Okay, so once you hit deposits. Okay, so we're going to approve the amounts. Okay, so I'm going to deposit 5 USDT. So I'm going to select over here 5 USDT. That's the amount that I'm willing to spend. And then I'm going to hit next. Okay, so we're going to confirm this. So 5 USDC, 5 USDT. Okay, that's the spending cap. We're going to hit approve, and that's done. Next one's going to be the deposit. Okay, I just approved, and I also hit approve the deposits. Okay, so remember, 2 gas fees. The first one to approve, the second one to stake. Okay, so now if we scroll over here is where we're gonna see our earnings. Okay, so give it a few minutes and you will start seeing the earnings coming up. Okay, obviously I only deposit 5 USDT, so 2% of 5 USDT is 0 point something. Okay, so you're barely going to see the rewards right here. But if you deposit 1,000, okay, you should be able to see your rewards straight away. Scrolling further down, we can see our investments. Okay, it hasn't popped up yet, so it takes a few minutes. And once the stake pops up, it will pop up just like this one over here, and it will have a countdown timer, 25 days countdown timer. So once that 25 days countdown timer goes to 0, you can come over here and hit withdraw. Remember guys, when you hit withdraw, you will pay a 3% tax. Okay, so that 3% tax will stay inside the smart contract. Scrolling further down, we can see that we also have a referral link. So every time somebody make a deposit or invest under your referral link, you will get 6% referral commission on that deposits. Okay, and your rewards will be right here available for you to claim. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the contracts. Okay, so we have the contract for the USDC and USDT. Okay, so let's go over to June page and let's see what's up. Okay, we also have the smart contracts for the USDC and USDT. Okay, we can see the active deposits, 333,000 deposits so far. Okay, contract balance has 231k, total claim 91k. Okay, total referral bonus 10k. Okay, the project has been live for 51 days and the total wallets is 771 wallets. Okay, which is insane. All right, so as you can see, like I said to you, project was launched on the 23rd. Okay, only 6 wallets, and then 14, 19, and slowly building up. Okay, till this day we're still seeing new wallets coming in. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the inflows and outflows, and down here is where we can see the wallets. Okay, from the top wallets all the way to the lowest wallet to $1. And the cool thing over here, we can see the ROI percentage. We can see how much they invested. We can see how much they have claimed and the net worth. Okay, cool. So it shows you over here, we got the ROI percentage. So this guy invested 42k and the ROI is 19%. Okay, so that means he claimed 7.9k. So this one right here, 18.2. Okay, claimed 4,800. Okay, referral bonus 2.5k. Woo, this guy is rocking, right? He's doing extremely well. And over here we can see the net profit is 10k. Okay, so the ROI percentage 40% and etc. Okay, you can see every single wallet. Okay, coming over to the contract, so this is the USDC contract. USDC has 98.5k. Okay, and we can see the token balance. Okay, so as you can see right here, still on the uptrends. Okay, which is crazy, right? So usually DeFi projects, after a certain amount of time, you'll be like, okay, the smart contract will start to die. Even though this one, after 25 days, you can come over here and then stake your investment. Okay, so we are on day 51, and people, even if you got in late, people already are able to unstake their rewards or their initial investment, but they decided not to and still rolling with the project. Okay, so the blue bar is the money out, the black bar is the money in. So we can see that hovering over the blue bar, we can see that there is more money going in than more money going out. Obviously, the black bar right here, well, we actually don't see big spikes in cashing out because after 25 days you can cash out, you can withdraw your initial investment, but we still see more money going in there, more money going out, which is really, really cool to see. So let's go over USD smart contract, 130.7k. Okay, and over here we can see another trend line as well. Okay, so over to the transfer amounts, let's have a quick look. We can see that there is again more money going in than more money going out. Okay, even though the project is 51 days old, okay, there is still more money going in than more money going out. Okay, so from as far as I can see, I believe this project can go for another 50 days. Okay, but this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. Okay, so if you manage to watch this video all the way to here, okay, smash that like button. Okay, write on the comment box below your name, your like number, and the seed phrase is 5. Okay, so the secret pass is 5. Okay, so then you join the giveaway Telegram group and write the same comments. Okay, just copy and paste it, and the first 3 people to do that, okay, will win a prize. Okay, will win $5 each. Okay, so you gotta be fast. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.